Mainit pa. Mm. Hello, welcome to Jelly's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my husband's favorite dish. It is a baked potato with chicken and a massive red onion and cheese on top. Let us go cooking and come and join me. For those who are not subscribed in Jelly's Kitchen yet, subscribe so you will not miss any of my upload videos. So here we have potatoes in cubes already. I use about 8 pieces of medium size of potatoes. Here we have a cup of Kobe cheese, and we have 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. We have 2 large red onion and the chicken. This is the chicken that we cooked a day before. Is a lechon manok. So this is our leftover chicken. First, we boil the potatoes. Potatoes in. We just put them all in our pot. We have a lot of potatoes here. I use about 8 medium size of potatoes. This is not only for one-time meal. This can be like 2 or 3 times serving for 2. And we just cover it with water. Just make sure you cover the potatoes with water. And then just cover the pot, boil it for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes get tender. Now let us check our potatoes. I think they are tender enough, but let us take a look to make sure. Yes, they are okay now. This is perfect. So after boiling like 30 minutes, they are tender. Next thing to do now is to add a can of evaporated milk. You need to check if the reason why I add the evaporated milk is because some of the water evaporated. Because when you smash it, it has to be very sticky. So before smashing it, I will add half of the butter. Half of this. There. And then by this time, the stove is still on. So I will smash it with this smasher. So we are smashing it manually. All you have to do is to, from top to the bottom, like this. See how easy that is? This meal is actually very simple. That is why I like making it, plus it's one of my husband's favorite meal. So after we smash it, that is how it looks. See, it's pureed. So before we put it in our baking dish, we need to sprinkle our baking dish with the olive oil. And then all we have to do is to transfer it into our baking dish. Now it's time for layering. All you have to do first is to flatten the potatoes. I mean the mashed potatoes. Just flatten it like this. And then first add a little bit of the Kobe cheese on top. I am sure if you will do this for your husband, oh boy, your husband will love you more. I guarantee that. Okay, so we add all our Kobe cheese on top of the potatoes. I mean the smashed potatoes. And then we add our chicken. Layer it like this. Remember, this is our leftover chicken when we made our lechong manok. This is our leftover. Oh, this is a really good meal. And if you don't have a leftover chicken, you can use chicken breasts, like the two pair of chicken breasts. Okay, and then after the chicken, you layer it with your red onion. Like this. If you can imagine the combination of the chicken, potatoes, and lots of cheese, just imagine how tasty it is. It's marvelous. It's really, really good. That is why when I make this, my husband will always get a second helping. He just loves this dish when I make it. And sometimes if I have a leftover lechong kawale, pork, I use that too instead of a chicken. And then the last part is the mozzarella cheese. Can you imagine this? That is why I'm telling you, if you make this for your loved one, they will love you more. Look at that cheese I'm adding on top. This is a total of 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And I will put it all in here. And I will show it to you close before I will put it in the oven. There it is, our mashed potato with chicken and a massive red onion and cheese. This will go into the oven at 350 degrees for at least 30 minutes or until the cheese will turn into a golden brown. So into the oven, for 30 minutes, or at least when the cheese turn brown. So it's time to check what is going on with our cooking. Let us open the oven. Oh, is that looking good? It looks so yummy. Okay, we're done cooking. Time to eat. Manganta na po. Ang bango po ng onions at saka yung cheese na combination. Ayan. Manganta na po. Just to show you the layer of it. There's the potato, the chicken, the onions, and the cheese. I just want to show you po how I fix my plate. Ang ganda pong tingnan, ano? Masarap din yan. Yan po yung layer, oh. May potato, may chicken, may onion, and cheese on top. Ayan. Okay, I cannot wait to dig in. Ang bango po. First bite. Mainit pa. Masarap po. Kain po tayo. Yung cheese, oh. Manyaman niya po. Bubusok niya pa. It's still hot. But it's so good when you are like catching your breath and then you want to eat your food. And because your food is so delicious, you want to eat it already. It's also good with a dollop of sour cream. So I will have some for me. Share if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.